Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check for firmware updates on Apple WatchOS E3. First of all, you have to open the app menu by pressing the digital crown, then use the same digital crown to scroll through the apps list and select settings. Then in settings you have to go to general section and open it, then go to software update, and here you can check if you have any updates to download and install. If you tap on the update, it will start downloading it. And if you want to enable automatic updates, you have to tap right here and switch this toggle to the right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.